Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from the PlantIn app. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the PlantIn app. And here it opens up in My Plans. From here we just have to go into More. Then tap on the little cog icon in the top right corner. And here if you scroll down, we can tap on Logout, and then tap on Logout again to continue and confirm that we want to log out from our from the app. And if you want to sign in again, you can just tap on Continue with Google, select the email address, and then just go back to our account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.